Yesterday, June 2, the Discard team took on the obstacle course riding large German brand big bikes during the Manibela Challenge at the KDR Adventure Motorcycle Park. According to their team leader, Ebenezer de Malanta, many of their riders, including himself, have only been motorcycling for 3 years. He admitted that balancing a big bike on an obstacle course is challenging, especially with limited practice, so their main motivation was simply to finish the course even if it meant making mistakes or falling multiple times.
Isang beses lang kami nag-train. Isang beses lang sila rito. Yung iba nga hindi eh. Wala pa. First lang nila ngayon eh. So, ang sabi ko lang sa kanila, nung unang mag-train sila, iran lang nila to. Tapos tinuro ko lang yung mga basic na dapat gawin, yung mga counterweight, mga throttle, clutch control. Yan, look ahead, pagka liliko ka, kailangan nakalingon ka kagad.
One of their teammates, Benedict Galazan, has only been riding a big bike for 8 months. On the switchback obstacle, he quickly lost balance and found the bike too heavy to support. Their coach and team leader advised them that if the bike is going to fall, it's best to let it drop and then pick it up again.
8 months pa lang naman ako nag-big bike. Pero based sa observation ko, pagka bigla ka nag-sudden stop at lumiko yung manibela mo, automatic yung dadrop ka. Maliban na lang kung malakas ang binti mo. Napansin nyo, pinipilit ko pa minsan wag mag-drop. Pero talagang pag big bike, sabi nga ng mga coach, drop mo na lang, i-drop mo na lang. Kasi mas importante yung binti mo, yung tuhod mo, yung hita mo kaysa sa motor if ever na, bawa nagkamali ka, mabalian ka pa.
Another teammate faced clutch issues with his motorcycle before starting, highlighting the importance of ensuring the bike's condition.
Medyo lumambot, pina-adjust ko ngayon. Sumbagat yung lambot niya, kahit naka-neutral, ang bilis ng ano. Pag piniremera mo, pag piniga mo yung clutch, pag in-start mo, gumagano'n agad. Ngayon na yung game, tapos nagaganoon pa. Dapat talaga, pag umano ka, check mo yung bike mo, lahat.
Despite these challenges, the team of 10 completed the course in an unofficial time of 2 hours, 9 minutes, and 3 seconds. However, this may increase depending on penalties assessed by the course marshals.
Kapag po halimbawa ang isang rider or yung participants po ay nag-put down, magtataas po kami ng aming red flag. Yun, isa pong penalize po nila para po may consider na yung po kanilang ginawa ay may mali. And then halimbawa po yung kanilang gulong lumagpas po dun sa mga nakalinya. Opo, tapos halimbawa po yung motorbike nag-down, consider din po siya na ito po ay penalized.
The Discard team chose to support the elderly and disabled in need of wheelchairs and canes as their beneficiaries. This effort is part of the Members Church of God International or MCGI Philippine Loop, where benefactors personally visit their beneficiaries. Their team leader expressed that winning a prize in the Manibela Challenge would greatly amplify their impact. The first place beneficiary will receive 500,000 pesos, second place 300,000 pesos, and third place 200,000 pesos.
Open yung aming pagtulong kung sino yung mga nangangailangan ng assistive devices, mga wheelchair, kung ano pa, nebulizers, doon namin ilalaan. Pupuntahan namin mismo kung saan man silang lugar.
Kuya Daniel Razon's Manibela Challenge aims to enhance safety riding skills. Participants develop balance, speed control, and maneuvering through these obstacle courses.
Itong course na to ang magpaparealize sa'yo na sabi mong 20 years na akong nagmumotor, ganito, magpaparealize sa'yo na para ka palang baguhan pagdating dito. So talagang yung adrenaline mo gigisingin talaga.
Kung ano yung matututunan mo dito sa challenges na ito, can relate doon sa riding condition mo pagdating mo sa kalsada. So pagdating mo sa kalsada, kung na-master mo yung controls mo dito sa mga challenges dito, ay ma-apply mo yon pagdating sa kalsada.
Tomorrow, June 4, the Ducati PH Adventure Team and Team Progressive will take on the Manibela Challenge. The awarding ceremony on June 16 will reveal the official running times and penalties for all participants. Tune in tomorrow to the live stream of the Manibela Challenge on the official Facebook page and YouTube channel of Manibela and UNTV. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.